everyone, I'm Sherry Criswell, independent designer for Chalk Couture. Today I'm working some more on my farmhouse decor. Little knickknacks here and there, just makes things fun. So let's get going. So here I am using the transfer, locally grown. Again, I'm loving this transfer. And at this time I'm using ink and I'm putting it on these cups. So same as paste, you squeegee it on, take off the excess, put it back in the jar for another time. Now when this is all done and it's dry, I will put it in the oven and heat set it. Put it in a cold oven at 350 for 30 minutes and then let it cool in the oven. I would say the hardest part of this was getting the transfer to fit on this circular cup, and also it narrows down towards the bottom. So after that it was smooth sailing. Now when I was all done, there was a little bit of bleeding through it. So I just used pointed Q-tips just to clean it up before I heat set it. All right, here it is in my kitchen, my two-tiered tray and what I all use to fill it in. A lot of this are projects that I've been doing recently. Here's some of the cups. Milk and cream, cute, right? Down here we have Farmer's Market, along with some of these houses that I did earlier on a video, if you want to check it out. I used the Welcome Trio for the words on here. And I cut this out on my scroll saw. And then I use this locally grown transfer on a candle. What a good gift that would make, right? Here's one of our older transfers, but I love this. Coffee and Sunshine. My granddaughter made that one. And then this one, I love this, just the simplicity of it. It's beautiful. And that's from Prince of Peace. And then up on the top, Milk and Cream, another of the houses for Gather, grown locally. And my husband's favorite, Bacon. That's one he picked out. And another candle. So what do you think, guys? Do you like it? I love it. So if you'd like to check it out, just go to my website, chalkcouture.com/Sherry Criswell. You can shop, you can browse, you can join, you can subscribe. So have fun and check it out. Also, I'm starting a VIP group, which I'll put the link below. It's Sherry Lynn's exclusive VIP group. And there, it is a closed group, but it's just a simple yes or no questions, because it's not for other designers. It's only for customers or people who just want to learn more about Chalk Couture. I have in there, or I'm going to put in there, some teaching videos on how to use Chalk Couture, and just sharing a bunch of crafts and having fun. So check it out, and thanks for watching, guys. Bye.